Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel sauce without cream. Start by melting sugar with a little water over medium heat and avoid stirring once it browns. Swirl the pan gently to promote even caramelization and watch for deep amber color. Remove from heat and whisk in butter and a splash of milk or milk substitute to reach desired consistency. Finish with a pinch of salt and let cool before using on desserts, pancakes, or ice cream. In this video, I will show how to make caramel sauce without cream. Gather granulated sugar, water, unsalted butter, a splash of milk or plant milk, and a pinch of salt. Measure everything before starting because caramel moves quickly once sugar begins to color. Use a heavy saucepan and heat gently to avoid hot spots, and have a whisk ready. Optional vanilla can be added off heat for aroma. Let the sauce cool slightly before transferring to a jar for storage. In this video, I will show how to make caramel sauce without cream. Start by dissolving sugar and water without stirring once bubbling begins to reduce crystal formation. Keep the heat steady and watch color changes rather than time, aiming for a deep amber for rich flavor. When adding butter and milk substitute, do so off heat and whisk vigorously to emulsify. If tiny crystals appear, a quick reheat and gentle whisking usually rescues the sauce and smooths texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.